Muling ibinida ang mayamang kultura ng Kalinga sa katatapos lamang na Bodong Festival, kasabay ng founding anniversary ng probinsya. Yan ang ulat ni Audrey Villena ng PTV Cordillera.
Isa ang ikapitong Bodong Festival, ang Digdiga Cultural Parade and Showdown ang ibinida ng iba't ibang lokal na gobyerno ng Kalinga. Nagkaroon ng cultural performances ang 7 munisipyo ng probinsya at ang iba't ibang tribo sa lalawigan.
The Badong is not a symbol that is displayed here just once a year. It is a covenant that is lived daily. Long before modern institutions, the Kalinga established a system that protected dignity, resolved conflict, and preserved unity among communities.
Tampok ang tradisyonal na damit, sayaw, musical instruments, soulful chants at iba't ibang celebratory rituals. Ilan lamang sa mga ito ay ang salip na isang matrimonial rite, gabok o firstborn dedication ceremony, dornat na bodong pispak at igam na male rite of passage. Itinanghal na best performer ang lubwagan, tabuk at tinglayan na nakatanggap ng mahigit 100,000 cash prize, habang 30,000 naman sa ibang mga nakibahagi. Nasungkit din ng lubwagan ang Best in Musicality, Choreography at Best in Traditional Attire and Props.
It's not mere performances. They are stories. They are memories. They are legacies. All of those traditions bind us together. They remind us that long before modern system and institutions, it was our culture that shaped our values. Unity, cooperation, courage, respect, and faith. These are the foundations that continue to strengthen us today.
Samantala, ipinakita naman ng bawat lokal na pamahalaan ng Kalinga ang pagiging malikhain sa pamamagitan ng kauna-unahang Luminawa Float Parade. Tampok ang mga produkto at tourist destination na pagkakakilanlan ng bawat bayan. Nakuha ng Progressive Tanuda ng unang pwesto na may 150,000 cash prize. Second place naman ang Laga Float ng Lubwagan at third place naman ang Banat Balbalan. Nasaksihan nila Jeffrey Martin at Ed Siatar ang naturang highlight ng kapistahan.
Ang bato namin, ito kasi yung mga textile pinalabas lahat, yung mga tela ng Kalinga. Sa Kalinga ay sa Lubwagan talaga. Sila ang nagpro-promote.
Come every day to see the festivities and the stuff at night. Very fun, especially for a foreigner, right? So we don't get festivals like this in Canada. Yeah, and I'm wearing my Kalinga colors today, so pretty happy about that.
Audrey Villena para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.